Hi, what's up? This is Ashwin Sundar from Technology Jock, and today we are gonna do a super quick unboxing of the Redmi K20 Pro. Here's the box, the K20 Pro, the power adapter, the cable, user manual, a case, and a SIM ejector pin. Let's go through them again. The beautiful K20 Pro, an 18 watts fast charger, the user manual in Chinese since I got this from China, garbage, a USB Type-C cable, a hard case with a nice rubber finish, garbage with some information. Yes, it's the 8GB RAM, 128GB storage variant. Unlike some other phones in the segment, the K20 Pro doesn't come with a pre-applied screen protector. Even if it did, I would suggest you go for a tempered glass from our sponsor, Glazed Ink, which is something more durable. What's special about Glazed Ink is that they make these genuine curved tempered glasses with actual 2.5D curved glass along the edges, so you wouldn't have to deal with that ugly, awkward gap that you get from installing most other tempered glasses in the market. They are available for a lot of other phones as well, including the OnePlus 7, Asus 6Z, and so on. So do check out Glazed Ink, link in the description. You can use the promo code TJOCK to get 10% discount on your purchases. Now, I'd rather call this design rugged and badass than beautiful. That's the kind of killer look it sports. It's actually quite subtle when it's not facing any light source, looks kind of minimalistic, but throw some light on it, like literally, and it just roars. This colored variant is named Red Flame for a reason. The front looks great too, thanks to the edge-to-edge Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with support for HDR. I mean, it looks great unless you stream content on apps like Netflix, because it doesn't have Wideband L1 certification. I really don't understand this, even the Note 7 Pro is Wideband L1 certified. Anyway, Redmi has gone with the motorized pop-up solution for the selfie camera for the first time, and even that looks quite badass with that LED light. It also functions as a notification LED, not the best implementation, but at least there is something. Another compromise is the lack of a stereo speaker setup as well as slot for micro SD cards, but even the 128GB variant is quite affordable, so I'm not gonna complain. On the flip side, we have a headphone jack, and that matters a lot these days, right? Now, Redmi has gone with top-of-the-line flagship internals, Snapdragon 855, 6GB RAM, 4000 mAh battery with support for Quick Charge 4+. The phone is currently running on MIUI 10, the Chinese version of it. The Google apps you're seeing here, I actually sideloaded them. Now, what really sets this phone apart from other phones in this segment is this proper triple camera setup with one main camera, one ultra-wide angle camera, and one telephoto camera for 2x optical zoom. Here are a few photo samples. I have no idea about the Indian pricing yet, but if you're watching this after the Indian launch, go check the description, you can find the price details there. The base variant might launch at around 25,000 rupees. Is there anything else I need to tell you about the phone? I don't think so. Post your questions about the phone below. Everything will be covered in detail in my full review. For now, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to Technology Jock and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. For the moment, this is Ashwin Sundar saying goodbye.